Hi, boys and girls. We are ready for another OG lesson today. I'm going to start by letting you hear me, and I'm going to say some sounds, and I want you to shout the word that I say. Here we go. Him. The next word, lap. What is the word? Lap. The next word, make. Make. The next word, miss. So I'm saying each sound and you blend it together for the word. Now, let's get ready and look and do some review. So let's stretch these out. You can say them with me at home. Here we go. Ish. Oh, let's cover up our plural S. Tan. Tans. More than one tan. Next one, tin. Tin. Hid. Box. Dog. Shop. Chin. Let's go back and read these together again, a little bit smoother, like we're talking. Here we go. Fish. Tans. Tin. Hid. Box, dog, shop, chin. Can you read these with me out loud? If you are excited to have an e-learning day and maybe you're practicing in your own classroom, here we go. Fish, tans, tin, hid, box, dog, shop, chin. Now let's play our little game. I am thinking of a word and it's a pet. You might have one at home. It likes to wag its tail. What is it? Dog. You shout the word out. I'm thinking of a word that could also be a pet. It swims in a little bowl. Or maybe you go catch some in a lake or pond. Fish. I'm thinking of a word and it's a type of metal. It's what maybe your Coke can is made out of. Tin. Right. I'm thinking of a word and it's a noun. It's part of your face. Chin. I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym to a store. Another word for a store is a shop. One more. I'm thinking of a word and it's something you can put a present in. Something to hold things in. You have one to hold your school tools in. A box. All right, let's play my other game where you try to beat my marker before I exit out. Shout them loud. Hid. Dog. Shop. Tans. Fish. Chin. Box. Tin. Good job. Now let's take a look. We've been learning about compound words. 2 words put together. So I see 2 words here. Let's stretch it out and read it. Bath. The other word is mat. Put them together. Bath mat. Our next word. Rag. Bag. Rag bag. Compound word. Our last word. Bob cat. Bobcat. See, I could divide my compound word and it helps you see the 2 words better. But we write it as one big word. Let's read our compound words together again. Bath mat, rag bag, bobcat. Good. Now I'm going to clear my board. And in 1st grade, we have been working on this digraph, this H brother. If you say it fast, you cut that schwa sound so we don't hear the Let's try it again. Yes. So let's practice some of our WH words. Here we go. Get your mouth ready. And when? That's a question word, so I'm going to put a question mark by it. Our next one. W, ip, whip. I think of Cool Whip that you put on pie. Our next one. W, itch, which. It's a question word because the question word which, I call it a double whammy. It has a H brother here and here. And the question word which starts with a WH. It's not the Halloween witch. Our next one, I like this word. It sounds like its word. Remember this part. Am, wham. All right, our next one. It's a cooking utensil. You might get to use it if you help in the kitchen. It's made out of wire. Whisk, a whisk. And our next one kind of goes with the word of a dream, your hopes and dreams. Whim. Let's go back and read these a little bit smoother. Here we go. When, whip, which, wham, whisk, whim. When you say this word, be careful of your E. When will we go home? Let's read this one more time. Today's your last day. Tomorrow's you're at home. Let me hear how excited you are by your voice. When, whip, which, wham, whisk, whim. All right, I'm thinking of a word, and it's a word that might make the sound if you hit something. Wham! I'm thinking of a word that is something you put on pumpkin pie. It's creamy, it's good. Whip, Cool Whip. And what are the two question words? When and which. Let's beat my marker. Here we go. Whim, whisk, which, wham, whip, and when. Good. Now, boys and girls, it is time for you to get out your paper. Your OG paper looks like this. Put today's date on it. Put your name. And here we go. Write me your best letters. Write me the lowercase letter that says M. Make sure you make that stick. Write me the lowercase letter that says Z. Yes. Write me the lowercase letter that says G, as in goat. It's a G, no lazy G's. Pick up your pencil to make that stick a monkey's tail. Write me the lowercase letter that says J, as in jam. Look at my lowercase j under the dotted line. Row 2. Write me the lowercase letter that says F, as in fish. Yes, it's an F. Nice tall candy cane F. Write me the lowercase letter that says Th, as in thumb. Yes. T-H, brother. Write me the lowercase letter that says sh, as in ship. S-H. Write me the lowercase letter that says aw. It is O. Last one, last row. Write me the lowercase letter that says It's our short value. Don't kick that leg out. Make sure that stick comes down. Write me the lowercase letter that says N, as in nest. Make that stick first. Write me the lowercase letter that says X. It's an X. Write me the lowercase letter that says Y. Yes, it's a Y. Look at my short slant. It comes down to the bottom line, then one long slant. We're ready for your tapping hand. Warm up those fingers to help you spell great. Start with your strong pinky. Here we go. Let's tap out the word much. M-a-ch. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. M-U-Ch-C-H. Much. Let's tap out our word dash. Ready? D-ash. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. with that H, brother. Uh-oh, B checker, make sure you're making a D. Get that hand out. We should not see the bubble. Dash means to run fast. All right. Oh, that S doesn't look the best, does it? There we go. Let's tap out the word thin, meaning skinny. Ready? Thin. It's got that I vowel. TH, I, like an itch. In, thin means skinny. I do not want thin pancakes. I want the opposite, thick. Here we go. Last word, kindergarten word, rat. Rat. That's an easy one for us. Rat. All right, let's go back and read our words. Much, dash, thin, rat. Look at our diamond, our new sound. Our WH says what? WH says what? WH says what? Nice tall H. WH says what? WH says what? All right, let's flip our paper over. We're ready to write some WH words. Here we go. Our first word is whip. Whip. 3 sounds, but 4 letters, and the W is like in whistle. The WH, whip. Whip. Check that P out. Make sure it's not the 9. It's a P. Next word, which. The question word, which. Which. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. Which. It's a double whammy. 2 H brothers. Let's put that question mark because it's a question word. Our next word, whim. Whim. As in whistle. Whim. Our last one, when. When. Be careful of that vowel. Let's do it again. When. As in edge. As in whistle. When will we go home? It's a question word. Let's go back and read these. Whip, which, whim, when. All right, we have a memory word we did yesterday. It looks like this. It's a heart word. T-H-E-R-E says there. Kind of sounds like there's an A. This is our part we have to remember. You know that part. Let's get ready to skywrite. Do it with me. T-H-E-R-E says there. Make your E sharp. T-H-E-R-E says there. T-H-E-R-E says there. Let's get ready to write it. Now, even though we're writing here, we still write neat. T-H, maybe you're going to whisper it to yourself. E-R-E says there. Put that heart. T-H, nice tall H. E-R-E says there. There is my backpack, you might say. T-H-E-R-E. Remember, your E should be sharp. It's a stick vowel. One more. T-H-E-R-E. Says there. Let's skywrite one more time. Let's look at it. T-H-E-R-E says there. There is my Chromebook. Can you do it without looking? It's a harder one. T-H-E-R-E says there. Do that little heart. It sounds like there's an A. Let's go back to an old word. I know you know this. It's got the word you in it. Your. That is your house. Y-O-U-R. Let's write it. Y-O-U-R. Your. Oh, this is a heart word too. I should put it on my card. Yeah, because that kind of has a different sound. Your. And our last word is not a heart word. That ER works together to say Or. And it just starts like wagon. W-E-R-E. Were. There, your, and were. Let's get our sentence ready with cups. Okay. All right. Ooh, it's different. Listen to my voice today. Which hat is red? Oh, your voice is going up a little bit. Which hat is red? You're wondering, oh, which? It's a question where we're asking a question. Which hat is red? Okay, remember at the beginning of a sentence, we go from edge to edge. We start with our capital. Which? You might need to tap out. Which? Starts like whistle. We just wrote this. Which hat? Hat. I think you could spell hat. Let me tap it again. Hat. Tap the H first. Which hat is? I think you can spell is. I think you can spell red. But let's tap it just to make sure. Red. Oh, B checker. Make sure you're making a D. Which hat is red? You're wondering. This is a question word, so we get a curvy question mark. Let's check. Cops. Circle your capital. The order. Number your words. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Punctuation. Do I have it? Yep. Spelling. Check your spelling. Check your D. Which hat is red? All right, boys and girls, good job today.